What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and I know it's been a long time since y'all seen me, but y'all, happy New Year's, y'all.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say I'm a
So today is January 1st. It's about like 4 in the afternoon, and as y'all can see, I look a freaking hot mess. But anyway, happy New Year's. Y'all go ahead and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on so you won't miss any videos that I post, because I know I have said this before in previous videos. I'm gonna be consistent. This year is my year and I'm starting it off right, okay? So y'all will see a video every day, but I will do like the weekly, what I do in a week, and I post it on one day until I can get, you know, schedule down, all that stuff. So far right now, this gonna be my schedule. I'm in the bathroom, and yeah, y'all, so sorry if the light's ugly. It don't mind it too much once in a while, but anyway, yeah, y'all, so right now I'm about to get ready and brush my teeth and stuff, because I like just woke up, because I be staying up all night to like 4 or 5 in the morning. I be sleeping all day, and I really hate that. So hopefully I can get my schedule back right. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, it's basically Sunday, so y'all gonna do a Sunday reset with me. Only thing y'all gonna see me do today is get myself together. I gotta braid my hair back up, go clean the kitchen, wash some clothes, and cook dinner. So yeah, let's get right on with the video. So that's it for that. I need to put some on my lips, and then right now I'm gonna come back to y'all when I have my hair braided down. So yeah, the parts and stuff might not be straight, but I'm gonna braid this hair down because I'm trying to get my hair to grow. So y'all gonna do that, and then I get back to y'all once I have my hair braided.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, I'm back, and as y'all can see, I got my braids in. The parts ain't straight, but whatever, my braids up, cause yeah, I've been wearing my hair like this for like probably 3 weeks. So yeah, so it's doing some good, some justice. And the last time I sent y'all was probably like 4 something. It's now 7:18. So yeah, 7:18. I got Kamari right here. Say hey.
Hey.
But anyway, yeah, so just got done eating some Wingstop, y'all. I was hungry. I got Tamari and my dinner. They playing the game. But yeah, today I said I was gonna go downstairs, wash, you know, cook and clean up. But that's gonna be, I'm gonna make that tomorrow's video. So because I'm doing a deep clean tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, so happy New Year's. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace. Now it's the next day, as y'all can see. So today I'm gonna be cleaning up. Yeah, because I told you I was gonna cook and clean yesterday, but I had actually waited to today because I didn't feel like it yesterday. So today we're gonna do that today. So yeah, so let's get started. So right now I'm gonna do the bathroom and then the kitchen and then wash some clothes because my camera battery charger thing is lost. So I can charge the battery and it's already on 2, so I gotta make this speedy. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so turns out my camera battery died. Like I said, I ain't get the charger. I had to order one off Amazon. And it ain't got her yet. So I'm gonna be recording the rest of this off my phone. So yeah, as y'all see, I did wipe down the sink or whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sweep them up. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so now I did that. So now I'm downstairs gonna go ahead and put some clothes in the laundry. And yeah, I don't have a tripod for my phone. It's so irritating, y'all. So I'm gonna try to find somewhere to set this phone up. Maybe not, I don't know. And yeah, y'all look at this. Like, I mean, my breasts look so long. Don't worry about that though. Anyway, sure, I ain't got time. They long, they just look. I like to be transparent with y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna put these clothes in here, and then after that, we're gonna go straight to the kitchen. Alright, y'all, so I just put the clothes in the laundry, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these dishes. Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with, y'all. So this is what we're working with, y'all. Please, I've been tired, shoot. This is what we're working with y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out. Okay, y'all, so I finished the dishes. I'm gonna get ready to rock the counters and stuff down. My phone keep cutting off because my storage is freaking low. I keep deleting stuff, but it seems like not to be working. So right now I'm gonna fill the sink up with some hot water and right now with some Fabuloso and some bleach, so I can wipe down these counters. So I already got my water in here. So let's get it.
I don't wanna see you drop me, but I
Okay, yeah, so I got this counter's wiped down. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this Febreze air freshener. But I'm gonna go ahead and sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and then mop some for 6 phone up. Y'all can see me do that. Yeah, so I'm finally done. I need to spray some more of these. Even though it smells so good in here, like apple, whatever. I don't know, but like green apples, it smells so good. Just because of that fat below. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all what I got so far. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. So that's the kitchen, you guys. Yeah, so if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all would like to see more, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss no video that your girl is doing, okay? And y'all, I can't wait to get my camera battery. I can't wait to get my camera battery charged because phone ain't gonna work for me. I got too much storage. This I ain't got enough storage. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.